Samsung has done it. They have accomplished their dream of introducing the world's first foldable smartphone, and before you remind me the presence of Royal FlexPay, I am talking about a real, innovative, usable, meaningful, strong and a serious smartphone. The Korean giant is going to hold the developer conference on November 7th in San Francisco, where we might see a couple of important announcements about the Samsung Galaxy series. The company has already confirmed about the involvement of Galaxy F glimpse and also the user interface for the one and only Galaxy F. But as this announcement was not enough to take relief breath, Samsung has updated their social media profile pictures to a folded Samsung logo. This new avatar definitely confirms the presence of the beast at developer conference. Additionally, in response to Sam Mobiles on Twitter, IS Universe has tipped the Galaxy F's user experience, which will be far better than the Royal FlexPay. In the next tweet, he says that the Galaxy F may use a 7nm processor and adopt a proprietary operating system developed by Samsung and Google. The company will also work on the design and durability of its foldable phone to create a proper generation change. According to a report from South Korean publication The Bell, Samsung will equip the Galaxy F with two displays. The inner display will measure 7.29 inch diagonally, while the second display will be of 4.58 inches. The company was initially unsure about this decision as this may affect the pricing and durability of the device, but now as they have achieved a proper hands-on device, they are gonna make it official. The second display on Galaxy F will allow you to do primary tasks like picking up a phone call or so. The report also claims that mass production for parts of the phone will begin this month, with Samsung aiming to produce between 500,000 and 1 million units this year. So yeah, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.